You would think there are rules on the International Space Station. For example, be careful with water next to electric devices. Their life depends on it.
And I thought I'd show you how I do it. Let's see, to get started, these are the things I need. A bag of warm water, a little no-rinse shampoo, towel, and my comb. What I like to do is start by just putting some hot water, squirting it onto my scalp. And I have a mirror here so I can kind of watch what I'm doing. Sometimes the water gets away from you, and you try and catch as much as you can.
Here I am, and I got my water. So first of all, I'd like to show you how water behaves in weightlessness, which is kind of interesting. Of course, it doesn't fall down like it does on Earth, and it kind of tends to stick to your skin because of surface tension. I don't know if you can see it. See, it doesn't really want to move away from your hand, just because of that surface tension effect.
We have power bricks. You see all these things, this blue bricks for power supply.
Just because it's a little bit difficult to control.
So water is also very dangerous on the space station because we have a lot of electricity. So we need to be very careful not to spill it.
It's getting nice and wet. I want to make sure for the experiment that it's really soaking wet.
Water is also very dangerous on the space station because we have a lot of electricity. So we need to be very careful not to spill it.
Okay.
So we need to be very careful not to spill it.
So I have a soaking wet washcloth here floating in front of me. Oh, there's one ball of water floating around. I'll put it on the washcloth. Okay.
So we need to be very careful not to spill it.
So here's a soaking wet washcloth. Get the microphone so you can hear me while I'm talking. And now let's start wringing it out. Right? It's really wet. It's becoming a tube of water. It's becoming a tube of water.